What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we got a good one. We're gonna be making hot honey chicken thighs. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So right in front of us, we got some boneless chicken thighs. You can actually use regular thighs if you choose to. Let's go ahead and get into the seasonings. We're gonna be using this Danos. This is the low sodium, so it don't have no salt, but I got something for that. One of my go-tos, the Shake Tasties, all-purpose seasoning, and just a little bit of thyme. But my go-to right here, this Sriracha Salt. I think that's gonna go well with the hot honey, so we're gonna go ahead and put that on there. But that's pretty much it. We're just gonna go ahead and coat the top and the bottom, and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and cut this griddle on, let it get hot, put some butter on it, and then we'll be ready to roll. All right. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip it over and do the other side. All right, once you have it covered, we're gonna go ahead and cut the griddle on. Be right back. All right, so you just want to spread your butter out evenly before you lay the chicken on top, and after that, just go ahead and place some chicken thighs on the griddle. I'm spreading them out pretty evenly. I'm putting 8 on here. I probably could have got 12, but just trying to make a little video for you guys. But after that, that's it. We're just gonna cook them down. Probably take about 4 to 6 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, these are looking pretty good. It's probably been about 4 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. Oh yeah, look at that color. Look at that right there. Yeah, thighs don't take that long. Ain't no bone in there, so it ain't gonna take that long. We're gonna go ahead, get ready to make this dang on hot honey sauce. Well, I don't think y'all ready. Be right back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and use the griddle to heat my pan up. Take your little bit of butter, go ahead and drop that in there. Get you a little bit of honey. And whatever your favorite hot sauce is, I'm just using Frank's Red Hot. Also take you some red pepper flakes. Throw some of that in there. That's it. You want to let this simmer a little bit. Mix it up. All right, y'all, my chicken is sitting at 160. We're gonna go ahead and drop it in the sauce and put it back. Like so. We're gonna put it right back on that griddle. All right, y'all, the temperature on these is looking good. They all sitting over 170, so it's time to go ahead and pull them off, put them on a cooling rack. All right, y'all, this is it. Right off that griddle, hot honey boneless chicken thighs. I went ahead and made some extra sauce, or you can just go ahead and buy some, whichever is easier for you. But personally, I like my homemade. But this rib right, that's pretty good too. But you ain't gonna beat that. But back to the food. So that's what we got, man. Right off that griddle, I want to cut a little piece for you. Hey, shoot, y'all know what time it is. It's time to eat. Man, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. My name is Trey. This is Master Blends. I'm out.